Good morning. We are in Japan. Day 2 for me. We're going to be going to Akihabara later for the team tournament, but all the US players are pretty much awake, and we have like bootleg projector setups. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So, yeah, but later today we're going to Akihabara. I don't know what we're going to do there exactly. Around dinner time is when the team tournament stuff happens. So we're going to have like all morning to do weird touristy stuff. Also, there's like a gift shop near the place we're at. So Kwon got this magic card hat. I'm gonna wear it without his permission, just so you can see the drip.
I think you improved the specificity. I guess I just expect you to let match more a lot more than
Oh, you can. Wait, is there a chin strap on this? Huh.
Have you turned off the water?
Okay, technical difficulties. So we're gonna fix the water, I guess.
This thing?
No, on the right. The handle, yeah.
Okay.
The middle. Up.
Up.
Yep. There you go. You had it. And then not that far up. The middle. Yep. But yeah, that's my magic card. How to turn off the shower tutorial. We'll see you guys later. All right, we're on our way to Akihabara. You guys ready for Akihabara, dude?
Hell yeah. I'm ready to weeb out.
Oh yeah. Sammy, what are you getting? Hot coffee. Woo. Oh yeah.
Vending machines have hot coffee. Just like, this is hot.
Hell yeah.
Not super hot.
Yeah, apparently the background matters. So like when you see these like blue backgrounds, they're like room temperature or cold?
The blue ones are cold, the red ones are like hot.
Look at this, the names over here.
Yeah. So not that I can read the names, but I definitely can see colors. Take that, Zubaz. I have been in like so many shops at Akihabara so far, and I've concluded that like either everything that I want is just so much money, and it breaks my heart, or number 2, I will sometimes walk into a shop and then go up one level and then bam, hentai everywhere. It's crazy out here. Look at how nice this shake is. Chocolate and Oreo.
When she came out.
All right. Interview team interview. All right.
Okay. I'm not on team.
Well, why am I talking to you? All right, Linkors. How do you feel?
Really tired.
Any other comments?
About sacred.
Okay, I don't know why I talked to him either. Ice Chains, what's up, dude?
I actually don't think there's a single team we could possibly lose to in this entire tournament.
I feel that. What do you think?
Bust ass.
Icy, what do you want?
What did you say? One more?
You get his turn.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. What the?
Caramel?
So this is me and Icy's. We're splitting it because it's way too big for one person. And
Got it? I'm gonna disprove that one.
it's banana chocolate with caramel sauce.
I got that.
All right, Sam, any comments on team battle?
Yeah, I too am tired, but I'm excited to play. Hold on.
Okay.
Excited to bring out Sandmina.
Yes,
And I've got one thing to say to Sergeant Jason.
Oh, the thumbs down? He's dead? He's dead.
Not just the thumbs down, I'm pointing at Sandmina. But it's also
Oh.
also thumbs down.
Multitasking.
Multitasking.
I know that you live in Japan, but who are you rooting for? You gotta speak honestly here.
I want Team Japan to win. To humble you.
I don't like you.
think America's gonna win, so I don't need humbling.
Who's it going to lose to?
Skill.
You're whack. You are whack.
Just beat him
He's
for
like
you,
best in the
okay?
world.
Icy, say that again.
It'll be like a mix-up again. I see. Just beat this one
Yeah,
guy
it'll be
for
like the
me.
mix-up again, which is still one.
Yeah, we just lost to. We got Andy Brew's not here. We're safe.
I just want to win that Mina mirror. That's my goal.
I think it's actual gold flakes.
Yeah, didn't you beat Skill at a team tournament?
And the team.
Did you get this? There's gold.
Like the one we're playing in?
There's gold flakes.
All those OCD
What's up?
There's gold flakes.
Oh, there is.
Gold flakes.
Whoa. On the ice cream.
Holy shit.
Weird. Japan is something different.
Japan is cool.
What do we do with this?
Okay, but Team USA out.
Bye.
All right.
Goodbye, friends.
I'm not on the team.
All right, we're here at the bar, and I met Behin. Hi, guys. Hey.
I'm happy to be here. Are you happy to be here?
I'm happy to be here. All right.
Let's get drunk.
Dude, I wish you were American. That's the issue, though.
I don't know what I am anymore. I have an identity crisis where I belong to like 5 different countries, but I only still like speak 2 languages, so it's fine.
You know what's funny? Is we have room for a Sig 3 player. Because Linkor's scare all.
All right, I'm betraying Team Asia.
Alright, I'm finally back from the team tournament. I'm super tired, but I beat people, so I got this medal. I don't know if it'll show up very well, but this is what it looks like. We also, before that, went to some anime store, and I got souvenirs for myself. So as you can see, I have the Yusuke Urameshi. It's like a mirror, I guess. But I thought it looked badass because that's my favorite anime, Yu Yu Hakusho. In case you didn't know. Oh, hold on, that's the good one. I got this this keychain of Tidus, who is my favorite Final Fantasy character. And then I have the most badass thing ever, which is this Kingdom Hearts 1 Cloud action figure. Like, it's super clean. I love that game. That's one of my favorite games. So like, I'm super satisfied with my purchases. My bank account's not, but you know, it'd be like that. But yeah, I played super well today, so I'm good about that. I did lose to a Nightmare player, 575, which is a problem, but I kind of already worked out in my head what I did wrong. So it's really all about sleeping as soon as possible because it's gonna be a long day tomorrow and we have to wake up early. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow and pretty happy about today. So yeah, EVO Japan's pretty cool.